Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Getin Biotech HbA1c test kits. Yeah, you can see this is the reagent pack. You can see the brand name over here, Getin Biotech, and this is a C certified IVD product. This pack consists of 25 test kits. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the side view of the pack. Yeah, over here you can see the manufacturing details. Over here you can see the brand name Getin Biotech and the product name HbA1c fast test kits. Yeah, this test kits work on the basis of immunofluorescence assay. Yeah, over here you can find the reference number IF1017, and this pack consists of 25 testers, and this is compatible with Getin 11100. Yeah, over here you can see the product name HbA1c, and here you can see the storage condition, that this pack should be stored in 4 to 30 degrees Celsius within the expiry time, and once the pack foil is opened, the test card should be used within 1 hour. Yeah, these are the storage conditions. After that you can see the shelf life of the product is 2 years. Now I am just going to unpack this for your reference. You can see that at the top you can find the instruction for use manual. You can see the brand name and product name HbA1c fast test kit immunofluorescence assay. It comes up with what are the content present inside. HbA1c test card, disposable pipette, sample diluent, and instruction for use manual and SD card. These are the content present inside it, and these are the information you can see in the instruction manual. Storage and stability precautions and test procedures. Yeah, these are the details present. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see the 25 sterilely packed pipettes to transfer sample. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can find SD card for Getin Biotech HbA1c test kit. I'm just going to place this aside. Here you can see 25 number of sample diluent for HbA1c. I'm just going to place this aside. Here you can see the test kit. You can see the brand name over here, Getin Biotech, and this is a C certified IVD product. And you can see the product name over here, HbA1c fast test kit. It works on the principle of immunofluorescence assay, and this pack consists of one test. Here you can see the storage condition. Keep the test card in 4 to 30 degrees Celsius within the expiry time, and once the pack is opened, you should use this test card within 1 hour. You can see that the shelf life of the product is 2 years, 24 months. And at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. These are the stuffs present in the test pack, and that's all about Getin Biotech HbA1c test kits. To summarize it, Getin Biotech HbA1c test kit consists of one instruction manual, 25 number of separately packed sterile diluent, and 25 number of sterilely packed disposable pipette, and one SD card for HbA1c test kit, and 25 number of HbA1c test kit test cartridges. These are the things present inside the box. Thank you.
The kit contains HbA1c control level 1, level 2, level 3, user manual and target value sheet. Read the user manual carefully before starting the test. Before operating, check the reagent lot number on the right side of the box to to ensure it's the same as the lot number on the target value sheet. There are also some materials required, but not provided in the kit. Insert the SD card before testing. Click OK to import the reagent parameters. If you received the blue SD card, please attach it on the SD card recognition zone to import the parameters. Click plus and select the sample type of whole blood. Test procedure. Restore the product to room temperature from 15 to 30 degrees centigrade before use. Open the valves carefully to avoid powder ejection. Dissolve each vial of control with 1 ml distilled water. Cap the valves and mix each of them gently until all contents are dissolved completely. Please avoid violent shaking or foam formation. Leave the valves at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before use. Remove the test card from the sealed pouch immediately before use. Put the test card on a clean table horizontally placed. Using sample transfer pipette, deliver 10 microliter of sample into 1 tube of sample diluent. Mix gently and thoroughly. Then, add 100 microliter of sample mixture into the sample port on the test card. Repeat the same steps. Reaction time 5 minutes. Insert the test card into the analyzer when reaction time is elapsed. Click Start after inserting the test card. The test result will be shown on the screen. The range of detection for level 1 control is from 2.34% to 3.5%. Repeat the same steps. The range of detection for level 2 control is from 2.92% to 4.38%. The range of detection for level 3 control is from 3.69% to 5.53%. Please check the value according to the value sheet provided. If there is any problem, please contact the after-sales support team.